boom, you know what I'm going to say. Prophet's passport is on fire. But the reason I use this background is quite ironic. So late tonight, I don't even know what the heck time it is right now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. So about 11:30 at night, I was catching up on some TV, just relaxing, unwinding with some tea. I was watching Station 19. That's the firefighter show. It's the spinoff of Grey's Anatomy. You probably already know what that show is, the hospital show. I'm actually one of the few heterosexual males in America that's watched every single episode of Grey's Anatomy, all 16 seasons. I'm pretty much a doctor. So anyways, but with that said, I'm just watching casually, just unwinding all of a sudden. And it was a really, really suspenseful episode. I mean, I was hooked. All of a sudden my phone rings, easy one up. So I'm like, okay, whatever. It's probably somebody that just created an account. That was about 11:30. 11:57, it rings again. And it says, you've made a sale. And then I looked at my notifications, $500 sale. That was pretty cool. $500 sale. Complete automation. I had absolutely nothing to do with it. I don't know who the person is. I don't know how they found me. I'm assuming on one of these YouTube videos because I'm not running any other traffic right now. So this YouTube video resulted in me making a $500 sale tonight. Pretty awesome. That's why I'm pretty pumped. I wasn't actually planning on making a video tonight, but when that sale came in, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to make a video tonight. Not only that, I'm going to have fire in the background and a fire truck, because that's what I was watching at the time. So let me share my screen. All right. So we are in my Easy One Up account. So as you see, I'm over $13,000 now, and then that's where the $500 sale came in today. So just a little background story. So when I had originally started in Easy One Up, I only came in at the $100 level. See, that's why it says Elevation Elite. So that was in 2018. That's when I first came in, didn't know what I was doing and stuff. I just say, whatever, $100. And then what happened was I got this notification on my phone. It says, you had a $250 sale that got passed up or something. So I'm like, at that time, I didn't understand the program. So I messaged David. I was like, hey, I got this email. It said like something about a sale, but I didn't get it or something. And at that time, I really didn't understand the compensation plan or anything. I just got in because, David was doing something new, and I said, all right, I'll go ahead and get in. So he's like, yeah, man, that sale passed up to me. I'm like, passed up? So that sale should have come to me? He's like, yeah, if you're at the right level. So long story short, as you see, so 522 is when I got in. I didn't start pushing it until like months later. So 5, 6, 7. So about 3 months later, after getting in, I finally bought some traffic. This is how slow I go sometimes. And when that sale happened, that $250 sale, I was at the $100 level. So that $250 sale went straight to David. And I was like, I just missed out on $250. I literally lost sleep that night. I was like thinking how stupid that was, that I wasn't positioned correctly. So as you see, I skipped this position, I skipped this position, I skipped this position. The next day after I lost that sale, I just went all in, went to the $2,000 level, because I was like, that's never going to happen again. Pass-ups do not feel cool. So if you watch some of my videos, I teach you guys how you can join my team and get into the $1,000 level and only have to put up $350 up front. So go back to my other videos and watch that. At the end of this video, towards the end, you'll see this little thing that comes up and it shows like related videos or something. That'll be the video. Just click on that. It'll go to my full presentation. You'll see all about that. So like I said, this is just a quick video. I just wanted to give a little background story. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you're positioned correctly. Now, if money is an obstacle and stuff, then, obviously you got to get in where you feel comfortable, right? Not everybody has $2,000. That's fine. You start where you can and you save up the money, and then you just move up accordingly. And yes, obviously that you could potentially get a pass up, somebody could come in at a higher level. You don't get the commission. It's just the way it is, right? The compensation plan is made so you can succeed at the level you come in, and other people can succeed at the level that they come in. All right. And let's say you come in at the $100 level after you made like $500 sales, then go ahead and move up to the $500 level. Now you can make $500 sales. That's what happened to me tonight. It was a $500 sale. I'm qualified to make the top level, the $2,000 sales, but whoever came in tonight, they decided that $500 was the level that they wanted to come in. Perfectly fine. All right. So that's pretty much that. Now, if we go to the group, let's see what's going on in the group. I like to do this every night. I like to give shout outs to the people in the group that are doing things, movers and shakers. So who do we got? We got Justin Hollis 7 hours ago. Second sale is a $1,000 commission. Sale came from David's YouTube channel. So speaking of which, I'm going to do the same thing that David's doing, because David used to have this website. He actually still has this website. I think it's called copydavid.com. So, just copy David. If it's working for him, it's going to work for you too, right? So what I'm going to do is, if you join my team, I'm going to take your link and I'm going to put it in my rotator. So when people watch my YouTube videos like they did tonight, you can get a sale from my traffic. I think that that's a pretty cool idea. So if you're the type of person that's like, I just don't want to make my own videos. I don't like getting in front of a camera. No problem. You join my team. I'll take your link and put it in my video. So every once in a while, you can generate leads from my videos. Pretty cool, right? All right. So, and then you get a lot more than that. My buddy Pierre, in the words of Michael Jackson, don't stop till you get enough. And I totally agree. And that's why I gave him that little Michael Jackson thing. I miss Michael Jackson. Man, what a great entertainer he was. Oh, and there's mine. So look at this, literally just sitting here watching a suspenseful episode of Station 19. And I use my fire and my firefighter and my fire truck. And my phone rings right before midnight. I love Profit's Passport. Give me some of those decal dollars. That's what I call them, because, David helps us all make money. So we call them decal dollars. All right. All right, Mr. Nate. He got another sale. Oh, he had a good day today. 2 sales rolled in while on the PS4. So Nate over here was playing video games. I was sitting on the couch just watching TV. I mean, it's pretty cool, right? I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Let's see. What was Paulo doing? He's in Australia. So while we're making money here in America, and obviously he's marketing to American people, he's literally making money while he sleeps. So Paulo's he's quite the machine. David Jackson, cleaning the yard. So he's actually doing something productive. My dumbass is watching TV when I should be doing something better. David is actually taking care of the house. He's cleaning the yard. $100 came in. It's almost like he paid himself to clean the yard, right? Cool stuff. Yeah, Alex, he's using my little thing. But actually, I use a hashtag. He's using a dollar sign. So very creative. Gotta love the decal dollars. So that was something I made up a few weeks ago, or I don't know, maybe it's been about a month now when the sale came in. It's like, yeah, let's hashtag this. I did hashtag decal dollars. So I don't know if anybody else is doing that. Let me just check. I'm kind of curious. Hashtag decal dollars. Anybody else using the hashtag? Yep, people are. Bo is using it. All right, Barry is using it. Oh, that is so funny. There's the one I use with David's picture. Okay, obviously I'm having a lot of fun here. This is a fun program. I've never seen anything like it. I just love the fact that so many different people are winning and making money and stuff. So let's see, where did we live off? What did Miles do? Miles made some, look at it, he's got some screenshots. Let's see what Miles is doing. 250, 1,000, 248, 100. 150. Look at this guy. This guy's a freaking machine. All right, he's doing some great stuff. And I think I mentioned this guy yesterday. His first sale, $25. Really happy for him. Scott. Okay, so Scott was digging a hole. Scott was digging a hole so I can get my well pump replaced. $298 dropped in. I get paid to dig holes. That's so awesome. Okay, seriously. And so what was, let's see. Jeff's just feeding the funnel. Even David, look at, he's making his own decal dollars. 111.93 in passive. So in our 4th profit system, I think it's the 4th or maybe it's the 3rd. Let me see. Easy one up. Funnel X Advanced, ROI panel, Udemy. Okay, the 5th one. OPM Wealth. So OPM Wealth is a company that teaches educational things like financial education, how to trade cryptocurrency, how to invest in Forex or trade in Forex, and how to fix your credit, just mindset stuff, like over the top value program, right? They have levels that go all the way up to $27,500. So in this particular instance, David's at the top level. So somebody that's below him that's in this program, but at a lower level, they generated a sale. But they generated a sale that was higher than their level, But in this program, you don't get completely passed up. You still make some money at your level. And then what was the remainder passed up to David. So in other words, David did nothing and got $1,100. Okay. Just awesome program. So anyways, we can go on and on and on. I'm going to stop sharing unless I have another reason to share. Probably not. I don't have any other reason to share. Let's look at my fire truck again and my fire. So, like I said, go back to my webinar that I'll link in this video. You can watch my whole presentation where I talk about each program. So in this program, there is currently 6 income streams. If you're creative, there's probably more income streams if you do some other things on your own end, but there are 6 income streams. Easy One Up, the one that I showed you that I made $13,000 in so far, that is 100%. You make 100% commissions. The only thing the company asks for is that you pay their administration fee. Every level has different administration fees. So it's a really cool program because it's one of the rare programs out there where you not only make 100% commissions, you get paid instantly because you collect the commissions yourself. So like I said, this is the cool part, that if you want to join my financing program and get in at the $1,000 level at only $350, well, guess what? If $1,000 sale comes in, you get that $1,000, which is really cool. So you can either pay off your loan or you can, expand your business more. Doesn't matter to me. If you want to just continue to make your monthly payments, that's fine. The point is that you get paid right away. So as soon as that $1,000 sale comes in, it's your money. You do what you want with it. As long as you're making your payments, that's fine. If you want to pay off the loan, there's no prepayment penalty. That's Easy One Up. Okay, the second program is Funnel X Advanced. That is a pay-per-lead program. Pay-per-lead means every time you generate a qualified lead, David will pay you $1. Okay, what is a qualified lead? They go to the Funnel X Advanced page. They have they're either on a desktop or a laptop computer, and they're from one of these 5 countries: the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Canada. If they're from one of those 5 countries on a desktop or laptop computer, when they sign up for Funnel X Advanced, you generate $1. They don't even need to buy anything. Just the fact that they signed up, you'll generate $1. There's 3 positions in there: a $200 position, a $597, and the prestigious leader position of $1997. If you come in Easy One Up at the top 2,000 level, like I'm at, if you come at that level, you'll get Funnel X Advanced for free, the 1997 position. Okay, that's the bonus. You come in at 2,000, you'll get that position for free. So you're basically getting 2 $2,000 programs for the price of 1. All right. In that leader program, you're in a special group with David with only about 250 people. You get more one-to-one attention. You ask a question, you're going to get an answer. There's other leaders in that group that help answer questions. You're basically in with the creme de la creme. Like, some of the best internet marketers in the world are in that group. It's awesome. David does special webinars with a lot of these people, so you can learn from them. You can get tips from them. It's just an awesome place to be. That's the Funnel X Advanced Leaders Program. Okay, that's a special group. Third program is ROI Panel, one of my favorite programs because it's a click tracking software. And if you're in this business of affiliate marketing and generating sales and buying traffic, you need to know where your metrics are. You need to know that when you buy traffic from people, especially if you're buying traffic from different vendors at the same time, you want to know which vendor is doing better for you. If you generate a sale, you want to know where that sale came from. You want to know what your opt-in percentage is. You want to know who creates the most accounts in David's program, right? That's why you need ROI Panel. It is a fundamental part of your business. I strongly suggest that you get that. Even if you come in at the smallest level of 197, so you can track up to 3,000 clicks a month, that's fine. Track something. Know what your metrics are, okay? The fourth program is Udemy. Udemy is a place where we go buy our traffic from. There's a bunch of vendors there that are all vetted, and you can look at their reviews, see how much sales they've generated for other people, what their feedback and criteria are, what they accept, what they don't accept. Everything's on there. So really cool program. And it's got an affiliate program too. So when people sign up under you and they buy traffic, you can earn a little bit of money, and then you could spend that money on your traffic. The fifth program, like I mentioned before, OPM Wealth. So I won't get into that financial program with the $27,500 position. The sixth one, the program I recently got into at the highest level, that is Ring ALN. Ring ALN is a ringless voicemail program. And if you don't know what a ringless voicemail is, it is when your phone rings. Can you see my phone? Oh yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, so it's when your phone, it's when your phone does not ring. But all of a sudden you see that there's a notification that says you have a voice message. Well, how can that be? My phone didn't ring. It's sitting right here. The ringer is on. How do I have a voicemail? Well, go check your voicemail. So they go check their voicemail because they're curious, because they don't know who the heck called. They don't recognize the number or anything, and they're listening. It's like, hey, how would you like to earn money from home with a done for you system where you don't even have to lift a finger, blah, 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 whatever. You can record whatever you want on that voicemail. But the whole point of that voicemail is to get them to your website, right? So they keep listening to this voicemail. It's like, okay, what's the name of that website? What's the name of that website? So like my website is, what is my website? strugglefreesystem.com. I had to really think about that. So on my voicemail, when people go to strugglefreesystem.com, they'll enter David's funnel. They just put in their email address, and then I let David take it from there. The whole point of this funnel is just to send traffic. However you do it, whether it's paid traffic, whether it's free traffic, whether it's email, whether it's ringless voicemail, whether it's SMS, whatever. There's so many different ways to get eyeballs to David's funnel. Okay. And then once they put their email address in and they go to that next video and they see David takes over from there. That's it. Your goal is just to bring them there. All right. So that's why it is a done for you funnel. That's why you see so many people that are making automated sales, because all they did was bring the traffic to the funnel. By doing this video right now, what I'm doing is bringing traffic to the funnel. So when you go to profitspassport.info, which is the what do you call it? The URL redirect. So it's a domain that I bought because it's easy to remember, profitspassport.info. And when people go there, it'll redirect to my page for my capture page. They opt in, and like I said, David takes over from there. All right. All of that information will be in the description below. Those are the 6 positions. So ringless voicemail is an amazing program. Strongly suggest you get into that. Like I said, if all this is confusing and you still don't know, go ahead and get on a call with me. In the description area below, there's a bunch of different ways to get a hold of me. You can call me, you can book a call with me, you can hit me up on Facebook, you can email me, Skype me, doesn't matter. You can even leave a comment below. If you leave a comment below and say, hey, Nick, can you reach out to me? Here's my information, whatever. I will go ahead and reach out to you. Easiest thing to do, the best way to get a hold of me, go on Facebook, add me as a friend, but also message me too, and just say, hey, Nick, this is so-and-so. I saw your YouTube video. When I see that, I'll know that, you're trying to reach me. I'll add you as a friend. We can communicate that way. Or you can call me. You can send me a text message. Number is 972-275-NICK. Yep, that's my number, 972-275-NICK. Nick is 6425. That information will be below. It's actually in my header. So on all of my videos, my phone number is actually a part of the description of the video. That way, you guys can reach me. That is pretty much it for me. So I will leave this video as it is. Like I said, go watch my other videos so you can see all my bonuses. I just don't want to make this too long. It's already long. My videos are long. I tend to ramble. I need to stop rambling. But you know what? Nobody else talks to me. So this is my chance to talk to myself and my peeps out there in the YouTube world. So anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you do join this, because there's a lot of money to be made. It is one of the most awesome systems because you don't have to do as much work as a lot of other programs out there. Just focus on getting traffic. Focus on getting eyeballs onto that capture page. And once they put their email address in, let David take it from there. All right. This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much. Contact me. All my information is in the description area. Look forward to talking to you soon and having you join the team. Take care. Bye-bye.